Hi, in today's video we'll discuss how to check your Spectrum voicemail. Watch the video until the end to learn different ways to do this. You can check voicemails on your Spectrum landline phone using the connected phone or a different one. If you are using your landline phone, dial your voicemail access number or your 10-digit Spectrum voice phone number configured to the landline. Alternatively, dial 998 preceded by the asterisk symbol. Any of these actions will take you to your voicemails, prompting the system to welcome you with a welcome message. Press hash, enter your PIN, and press hash again. The system will notify you of the voicemail sender's number. Press 1 to listen to your messages or 9 to bypass the message. If you are using a different phone to access the voicemails on your landline, dial your landline phone's voicemail access number, then enter your 10-digit telephone number and press hash. After the voicemail system has responded with a welcome message, enter your PIN accompanied by hash to be notified of your voicemail sender. Press 1 to listen to your voicemail messages. And that's it. Checking Spectrum landline voicemails is that simple.